Hello and welcome back to Mario Bros on Scratch, and today is part 2, so let's get started. Let's start off with the surprise block. So we'll do when green flag's clicked, go to negative 384 and show. We can simply drag this ground code to the surprise block. And we're already done with the surprise block. As you can remember, on part 1 there was a bit of an error on the code, as you can see, and the jumping too. Well, there's no need to worry now, we can fix it. So as you can see, there's a 72 here and 72 here. We need to change it to a 0.12. We can do the same thing to the left arrow key. So let's set the 72 to a 12 and this other 72 to 12. Done, one problem fixed. Now let's see. On the key up arrow keys pressed, it just goes flying up. We want it to go to a certain limit. So if you see this bit here, after the change y by 40, we can put a weight 0.37. Now it has a limit, a perfect limit, because if we go back, so if we go into stage and we change onto when left arrow keys pressed, change camera X by negative 16, this will make sure that when you click the left arrow key, it will move in a different direction, because 16 is a positive number. Negative 16 is not a positive number. So if now go back, camera X is changing in different directions. And it jumped in a certain limit. Now if we go back onto the Mario section, and then we can do when green flag's clicked forever if touching this one surprise block broadcast coin. And then here, if we go back, we'll do when I receive coin, go to Mario. We can put a show here and put a wait 1 second. Change coins by 1. And then hide. Let's see. Here, let's jump on it. You can see the coin here. But now, we need to make it bigger. Set size to 150. Now let's try. Yeah, that's better. We can put a 200 to make it bigger. Yes, that's perfect. As you can see, I added this sprite called thumbnail. You'll get it in the link in the description below, which is a project. And we're going to make it appear when stops clicked. So if we add when green flag's clicked, and there's already this timer variable, and then set timer to 0.1. And then we add a forever loop. Go to 300 and 300. Hide. And go to front layer. And then at the bottom, we'll set timer to this timer. Plus 0.1. And then if we go here and drag out this when loudness, and then when timer is greater than this timer, because this timer, even if you click the when stops clicked, this timer, the blue one, this one here, is looped forever even when the stops clicked, whilst this timer stops when stops clicked. So when stops clicked, the blue timer from sensing will be greater than the variable timer. So that will make sure that we all know when stops clicked. So when stops clicked, repeat until, and round. We put the round in this equal block and then drag it on this side and put a Y position, 0, and then we just duplicate this and just change this into an X. And then we can say show change Y and X by divided negative 0 from Y position and 5. We can duplicate this and the same thing as before, just set an X in here and then wait .1. So when we click stop, this will come in. Then if we add another when timer is greater than timer, we can hide the variable coins. And then we leave the job to this one, also show when green flags clicked the coins. And set coins to 0. So see, the coins go to 0 and then when stops clicked, it hides. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial for today, and this is the end of Mario, and I hope you enjoyed playing it. See you!